The Legends edition continues, where a section of Orange Democratic Movement's women leaders in Coast Region, led by Likoni Member of Parliament Mission Boko, have welcomed the nomination of Canon Dr. Ida Odinga as Kenya's ambassador and permanent representative to the United Nations Environment Programme. Mishi described the nomination by President William Ruto as historic and a strong affirmation of Kenyan women. Boko said the appointment not only honors the former Prime Minister Raila Odinga's widow, but also reflects the growing acknowledgement of women's leadership and contribution to national and global affairs. Sentiments echoed by Mombasa County Governor Abdul Somad Nasser.
As women of ODM at the coast take immense pride in Mama Ida's achievement, her appointment is not only a personal milestone, but also a victory for women, educators and advocates of justice across the country. It reaffirms the place of women's leadership in shaping Kenya's present and future, both nationally and internationally.
Kwanza, kando na kongole. Pili ni kusema ya kuwa Kenya imepata yule ambaye kwamba sio kustahiki peke yake, bali atainua uso wa Kenya nzima katika nyadhifa yake mpya na kumpatia kongole katika jambo hilo.